Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, today I am going to be discussing about the new social media app which is made in India known as Elements. The app has an very secure privacy and it is similar to the WhatsApp. In this video, I am going to show how to sign in, how to use and all its features and benefits. So let's get started. So first go to your Play Store, type Elements. You can see guys, I have already downloaded. Scroll down, it has got 4.5 stars, 1 million download plus, which is too good. So go to Elements app, click Elements, get started, choose English language. So this is your interface guys, enter your mobile number, click next, oops, again click next. Oops guys, this is your OTP interface. So I have received a OTP, so just enter the OTP 4752, click next. You can see guys, this is your interface. Now just I'm going to fulfill my all details, click next. So I have already filled my details. Just open the app. You can see guys, this is your interface. First option you have hub. If you click to hub, you have many contents. First you have health and lifestyle, second you have shop, third you have fashion, do it yourself, sports, news and games, finally Bollywood. Next option you have social, where you can press add, you can create your own post. So I have already created. And next you have discover, where you can search contents, you can read, which is good option. Next you have chat guys, where you can chat with your friends. Press call, where you can call your friends. Next you have alert, this is a notification bar guys, where you get request and activates. Finally we'll go to settings. In settings you have manage my elements, account settings, privacy settings, notification, chat media, to sync my phone. Press allow. Oops. Next you have privacy and logging. Next you have terms and condition, privacy policy, and finally you have logout. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe button. Until then, stay tuned.